temperature sensor in this truck, this 87 F150. And here's my notes. You might be able to read them. Anyway, supposedly, cold temperature should read 58,000 to 40,000. Hot, when the engine's about 180 to 220, it should read 3,600 to 1840 ohms. And of course it's higher cold and lower resistance when it's hot. So higher resistance when it's cold, lower when it's hot. The signal voltage from the computer is 5 volts. Don't forget to put Teflon tape on the sensor. And so that's what I have here is the sensor, and I was going to take a reading on it. Maybe you can see that. I'll turn the light on. Like I said, it's 83 degrees out here. This resistor's cold, unless it's picking up the heat from my hands. And I'm reading 26.9. And of course it says here on my chart that it should be 58 to 40, but it's not really that cold out here, so I don't know. I do know that when I put my fingers on the end of this resistor, it does drop. So there we go, 26.6. It's picking up the heat from my gloves. So what I'm going to do is go install this new coolant temperature sensor. It's not that expensive, and whether the old one's good or not, I don't know, but I know it's probably been in there a long time. So that was a very easy job, and I'm going to measure this sensor and see what it comes up to. 28.7. Warming it up with my fingers. 28.8, 27.9. You can see it dropping. So the other sensor seems to read a little different. but this one probably is okay. I'm going to say this repair is done, and till the next video, this is Cars Truck. Till the next video, this is Cars, Trucks, and Detours, aka Steve AZ711. Hope all your repair work goes well, and bye for now.